Hi and welcome to Marketibot. Marketibot is a software that will basically put your business on autopilot and will help you engage with your customers, your subscribers, grab leads, make sales, and put this on complete autopilot. You'll be able to post content, you'll be able to sell products, you'll be able to generate leads, and you'll be able to engage with anybody that's engaging with you. And you'll be able to also get free traffic from our 8 platforms that you can put Marketibot on and share your content and details. So real quick, I'm going to show you exactly what this unique software does. It will save you thousands of dollars in monthly subscriptions from third-party tools. At the same time, it will help you automate your business 24/7, and I'll show you how. So once you're inside Marketibot, you're going to find 4 categories. You're going to have your bot settings, which has to do with chatbot. You're going to have your social posting feature, where you're going to be able to schedule your posts, create posts, so you can send them out to all your social media profiles at the same time, or scheduling in bulk. You'll be able to build your own little e-com store where you can sell products, dropship products, and sell without any hosting or monthly fees. And you'll also be able to engage with your subscribers, whoever engages with your social platforms like Facebook or Instagram. You'll be able to grab that subscriber and you'll be able to create broadcasts, emails, SMSs, just the whole deal. So inside you'll be found single button right here where you're going to be able to import all your information from your Facebook profile. So if you've created pages on Facebook, this will show up on here. So from here, you're going to be able to connect it to our bot and to everything else that we have for you. So once your pages have shown up, you're going to be able to connect things. And then the next thing that you're going to want to do is basically set up your comment ability to comment with your subscribers and anybody that engages with your posts by creating a simple comment template, or multiple, and you create a reply template where you're going to be replying back to the people that are engaging with your posts. And then you can automate your campaign straight from your dashboard, where you're going to be able to choose the page that you want to work with, and from that page you can come here and start connecting everything that you've set up. Now you can also interact in real time, or you can actually edit the auto reply and make it schedule it so you can set it up properly as you want. And you can see it's a very simple way of creating and adding. It's all about choosing the templates that you're creating, and then from there filling some information in what you want to do, and then you create and you add, and then you just enable it. The same thing you can do for your Instagram accounts as well. You can put it on complete autopilot with anybody that's commenting on your post that you are going to be posting. Our next feature is our messenger tools, where basically you're going to be able to sync your subscribers, anybody that's engaged with any of your pages. You're going to be able to come here in our software and then choose a page that you want to get the information from, and from there you're going to be able to scan, and whoever has interacted with your pages, you're going to be able to basically bring them over. And then once you bring them over, you'll be able to actually engage with them through our other tools that we have for you. We have a messenger bot where you're going to be able to create your messenger bot automatically for any of the pages straight from your dashboard. And by choosing the right page, and the settings are all in the back end right here, where you're going to be setting up your own bot, messenger bot that will be interacting with anybody on there. We also provide you with a great tool, a feature where you're going to be able to have your little menu inside your chat messenger, so you can actually promote other new stuff, maybe other pages, maybe other offers, maybe other URLs, maybe another post back message that you want, etc. Okay, so this could be found inside your chat that you're going to be sending out to your members. It's pretty cool. At the same time, you can also set up your email sequences. We have a built-in autoresponder where you just need to connect it to the providers that we allow you to connect it with, or with free SMTP. It's up to you. And then you can create your sequences, either email or SMSs, and send your emails out. It's pretty powerful. We have our broadcasting feature where you're going to be able to actually set everything up from here, create your email campaigns. We've got email templates and the sequences and everything else that you want to do here in terms of SMSs or emails. And then we have also the flow builder where you're going to build your flow of your messages to your users. You can choose from the feature templates that we provide for you. So by choosing one of these, then you can just basically use this template to send it out and connect it to your pages as you're seeing right now. So this template is already done for you. So all you have to do is just drag and drop and change things around in the flow. You can see exactly how this works. You can remove, rearrange, and then you can test it out, etc. Okay, so really easy to use. You just got to go in and save and edit, etc. Our other amazing feature is basically our e-commerce store, where you're going to be able to actually build your own store, like a proper store, like a Shopify store, online, hosted by us. And basically you can set it up perfectly as you would with any other online store. You can put your merchant accounts that we're providing you for here. You can put your products. It could be drop shipping products. It could be anything that you want. And from here, you can actually start selling. You can build your store properly. We've got based on colors and themes that you can change, and the categories that you have and everything. And then the more you add, it becomes like a real proper store that you can send traffic to and start making sales from your dashboard. The cool thing is that because this store is integrated with our bot, you're going to be able to engage with your users on autopilot with everything that you're setting up here in terms of when people sign up to you, to people buy, you can engage with them and everything. It's really, really powerful. I mean, really, your dropshipping business will grow on this, or anything else that you're doing, anything else that you're selling is going to be online. Our other great feature is our Facebook poster and our social poster. You can actually import all your profiles from Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress sites. You can start sending your content that you're creating using the social posting tool. You can create multimedia posts. You can create CTA posts. You can create any type of post that is accepted on Facebook, from link, image, video, and you can see the preview. You can choose your auto reply templates that you're going to be creating, and you're going to be creating all these campaigns from here. And everything is controlled by you through the dashboard in here. You can do the same thing for Instagram posting as well, and you can start posting on Instagram and all the details, etc. And on your main dashboard, you're going to be able to see all your latest subscribers from here, the subscribers from different sources, the male versus female subscribers, all the data regarding the data from your subscribers, and any kind of interaction that's happened to your pages is going to be able to control from this dashboard in our Marketibot software. We also do provide you with a couple of search tools. One is a website comparison, where you can actually put a couple of websites and get some simple information from. Nothing great, nothing amazing, but enough for you to understand what other websites are doing, and details such as how many shares, reactions, comments that have been going on, information about the description of the site, etc. We're also giving you a special tool for your Instagram campaigns, where you're going to be able to actually search from your Instagram account. Once you set it up, you add your hashtag and you get information on using what kind of hashtags to use for your posting and etc. So really, you have an all-in-one solution here with so many great features from third-party tools that we put all in one. From you using a bot for your business that will automate everything with replies, comments, with anybody that interacts without you missing any customer whatsoever. You can also engage with them through your inboxes. Build a subscriber list from the people that are engaging with your pages. Very unique. An e-commerce store that you're going to be able to sell your digital products, and also the social posting and scheduling posting that you can be doing using our software. It's all from your back dashboard in Marketibot, all in one, saving you thousands of monthly fees thousands of dollars in monthly fees. I'm going to repeat that, because all these tools that you're about to use are tools that you would pay for, and you would pay for monthly. And we try to make it as easy as possible in connecting things without using different type of technical skills like getting APIs and stuff. This is very simple to just connect and push over your pages, and from there it's all about creating templates and connecting the bots and to everything else that you're provided here with. So this is what Marketibot does. This is our best software to help you automate your business on complete autopilot. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you inside.